Welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, we're reviewing TripIt, a widely used travel organizing app designed to take the chaos out of planning and managing trips. Whether you're a frequent flyer or just heading out for a short vacation, TripIt aims to simplify every step of your travel experience by organizing all your plans in one place. TripIt's standout feature is its automatic itinerary creation. As soon as you book a flight, hotel, rental car, or activity and forward the confirmation email to TripIt, the app instantly builds a master itinerary for you. This allows travelers to view all their plans in a single timeline, accessible both online and offline. It syncs seamlessly with your calendar, so you're always up to date. For frequent travelers, TripIt Pro adds powerful features like real-time flight alerts, check-in reminders, terminal and gate notifications, and even seat tracking. It can also help you find better seats and notify you of potential fare refunds. Additionally, TripIt Pro monitors your travel points and miles, giving you a full picture of your reward status across various programs. The app's user interface is clean and user-friendly, making it accessible for people with all levels of tech comfort. It supports syncing across devices, so your travel plans follow you wherever you go. Data security is a top priority, with encryption and privacy protocols in place to protect your travel details. Pros of TripIt include its automated itinerary builder, ease of use, calendar integration, and valuable pro features like flight alerts and reward tracking. Cons include the fact that the best features are locked behind a subscription, and some users report occasional syncing delays or parsing errors from certain confirmation emails. Overall, TripIt is a smart and reliable travel companion for anyone who wants a hassle-free way to stay organized while on the move. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutorialorbiz@gmail.com.